Oh, what does the red light
mess me up?
Woohoo! You little monkey, climb!
Oh,
Oh! Get it! Oh! Let me see. Catch it! No, it's not that hot. Just gentle drinks. Don't pour. Other way. All right, throw it. Throw it. Do you want him to tackle you? All right, then you better throw it. That's how you play football. If you don't throw it, you get tackled. No, I'm going to count 3. You're going to go sit in the car. 1, 2. Good job, Kai.